So if you're watching this video, that means you're looking for a way to make between $250 to $300 per day online, and you're looking for a legit way to do it. Well, I'm here to tell you that if you stick around and you watch this entire video, I'm going to show you how to do that very thing. So with that being said, let's jump into it. What's good? My name is Wilkins and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a very creative and very legit way to make between $250 to $300 per day online. Again, guys, this is legit. It's not nothing phony. You're not going to be doing anything gimmicky. This is something that is needed, okay? And it's a very, very good skill to have, okay? And what I'm talking about is content repurposing. So, as you know, being a content creator is tough. It's a lot of work that goes into it. There's a lot of consistency, and being a content creator is a very competitive space, and it wears us content creators out. It wears me out from time to time, where sometimes I just got to stop completely, okay? Well, some people make a living out of this, okay, and they can't afford to stop, all right? And just focusing on one social media platform alone is taxing on a person, okay? And this is where you come in, all right? You essentially will help a person take one piece of content from one platform and essentially repurpose it for... Sorry about that. I was waiting for the motorcycle to go past. But you're essentially taking one piece of content that a creator makes and you're repurposing it for another platform. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a content creator who makes YouTube videos, right? And they write scripts. Well, you can take that YouTube script, right? And you can repurpose it into a blog, right? Take out all the video specific stuff, all right? And add in a few website specific keywords, okay? And now that person has two pieces of content, not just one. Or you could take that same script, right? And you can make Instagram infographics with it. Or you could take that video and chop it up for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Or you could chop it up and you could use it for all their story accounts, like YouTube stories and Instagram stories and Facebook LinkedIn, things of that nature. You could take one piece of content that that creator creates and you could spread it out and repurpose it for multiple social media platforms, okay? And that takes a load off of their back, all right? Now, this is a very new thing. There's not a lot of people doing it yet, so it's a great opportunity for you to jump into it, right? There's a few freelancing sites like Fiverr and Upwork where you see people posting these type of gigs, right? But for the most part, it's still a fairly new thing. But you can also, if you do a little bit of research online, you'll see that there's dedicated agencies that's doing this, and they're charging anywhere from like $1,000 to $3,000 to repurpose this content. And trust me, they are making bank, because a lot of content creators want to pump out as much content as possible, but again, it's taxing on them, and they may not be able to physically do it without paying for some serious help, okay? But if you come in and you make it affordable, okay, and I mean just present different services for them to to kind of ease up some of that work, they'll be willing to pay. Now, how would you do this, you may ask? You could use a platform like Fiverr, and I put it up, not Fiverr, Canva, and I put up on the screen. And Canva allows you to do many things on that site. You can create YouTube videos with it. You can create Instagram stories and posts and reels and TikTok videos, blog posts, ebooks. You can do all sorts of things with Canva, right? So like I said, if a person was making YouTube videos and they had a script, you could essentially just take that script and repurpose it, and you can use Canva to format that post or blog or story or whatever the case may be. And again, this is a great way to make bank, and this is an in-demand skill that people need, again, because content creation is very competitive and very taxing for somebody, especially when they're trying to penetrate multiple social media platforms. All right. So I just wanted to give you an idea of something that you could do that is very profitable and very beneficial for both you and content creators out there. All right. And you can also reach out to content creators on YouTube or Instagram or whatever the case may be and see if they would like a service like that. All right. And trust me, there will be content creators that will absolutely love to have somebody take the heavy load, some of the heavy load off for them. All right. So that's all I got for today's video, guys. I just wanted to share this with you real quick. Like I said, this isn't massive yet. Okay. And it's great to jump on something like this before it does blow up and before it does become competitive. All right. So do a little research, jump on it, guys, and secure that bag, make that money. All right. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care.